Lal Gopalganj Nindaura is a hidden gem. Nestled in the heart of India, this quaint town offers a unique blend of tranquility and vibrancy. As you approach Lal Gopalganj Nindaura, the first thing that strikes you is the serene landscape that stretches as far as the eye can see. The town is surrounded by lush green fields, dotted with traditional houses and modern buildings, creating a picturesque setting that is both charming and inviting. It's a town in India, close to the city of Prayagraj, yet it feels worlds apart. The proximity to Prayagraj means that Lal Gopalganj Nindaura enjoys the benefits of being near a bustling city while maintaining its own distinct identity. The town is easily accessible, making it a perfect getaway for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. The journey to Lal Gopalganj Nindaura is an experience in itself, with scenic routes that offer glimpses of the rich cultural heritage of the region. But it feels like a different world. The contrast between the urban environment of Prayagraj and the rural charm of Lal Gopalganj Nindaura is striking. Here time seems to slow down, allowing you to savor the simple pleasures of life. The town's peaceful ambience is a welcome change from the fast-paced life of the city. The gentle rustling of leaves, the chirping of birds, and the distant sounds of farm animals create a symphony of nature that soothes the soul. The town is a mix of old and new. Walking through the streets of Lal Gopalganj Nindaura, you'll find a harmonious blend of traditional and contemporary architecture. The old buildings, with their intricate designs and historical significance, stand as a testament to the town's rich heritage. Meanwhile, the modern structures reflect the town's progress and development. This unique combination of the past and the present gives Lal Gopalganj Nindaura its distinctive character. You can find modern buildings, and you can also find farms and open fields. The town's landscape is a beautiful mosaic of urban and rural elements. On one side, you have state-of-the-art facilities and amenities, while on the other, vast expanses of farmland stretch out, offering a glimpse into the agricultural lifestyle that sustains the local community. The fields are a vibrant green, teeming with crops that are a source of livelihood for many residents. It's a place where people live in harmony with nature. The residents of Lal Gopalganj Nindaura have a deep connection with their natural surroundings. They take pride in their sustainable practices and work hard to preserve the environment. Whether it's through farming, gardening, or simply enjoying the outdoors, the people here have a profound respect for nature. This harmonious relationship between humans and nature is evident in every aspect of life in Lal Gopalganj Nindaura. Life here is peaceful. The air is fresh and the people are friendly. The town's residents are known for their warm hospitality and welcoming nature. Visitors often find themselves struck by the genuine kindness and generosity of the locals. The sense of community is strong, and everyone looks out for one another. This close-knit community spirit is one of the many reasons why Lal Gopalganj Nindaura is such a special place. It's a great place to relax and escape the city. Whether you're looking to unwind in the peaceful countryside, explore the town's rich cultural heritage, or simply enjoy the fresh air and beautiful scenery, Lal Gopalganj Nindaura has something for everyone. The town offers a variety of activities and experiences that cater to all interests and ages. From leisurely walks through the fields to engaging with the local community, there's no shortage of things to do and see. Come and experience the unique charm of Lal Gopalganj Nindaura. This hidden gem is waiting to be discovered, offering a perfect blend of tranquility, culture, and natural beauty. Whether you're a traveler seeking a new adventure or someone looking for a peaceful retreat, Lal Gopalganj Nindaura promises an unforgettable experience. So pack your bags and set out on a journey to this rural oasis near the city. You won't be disappointed.
Lal Gopalganj Nindaura is surrounded by fertile land. This region, with its rich soil and favorable climate, has been a cradle of agriculture for centuries. The landscape is a patchwork of green fields, each telling a story of hard work and dedication. The villagers here have a deep connection to the land, a bond that has been nurtured over generations. Agriculture is the backbone of the local economy. From dawn till dusk, you can see farmers toiling in the fields, their hands and feet moving in a rhythm that has been passed down through the ages. Tractors plow the land, preparing it for the next cycle of crops. The sight of farmers working together, sharing tools and knowledge, is a testament to the strong community spirit that thrives here. Farmers here grow a variety of crops. The diversity of crops is a reflection of the region's adaptability and resilience. From grains to vegetables, each crop is carefully chosen to suit the soil and climate conditions. The fields are a mosaic of colors and textures, each plot contributing to the overall productivity of the region. This diversity not only ensures food security, but also provides a steady income for the farmers. Rice and wheat are staple crops. These grains form the foundation of the local diet and are essential for the sustenance of the community. The sight of golden wheat swaying in the breeze and lush green rice paddies is a common one. The farmers take great pride in their work, knowing that they are feeding not just their families but the entire village. You will also find fields of lentils and vegetables. These crops add variety to the diet and are an important source of nutrition. Lentils, with their high protein content, are a staple in many households. The vegetable patches, with their vibrant colors and fresh produce, are a testament to the fertility of the land. The farmers take great care in tending to these crops, ensuring that they are free from pests and diseases. Mango orchards are a common sight. The region is famous for its mangoes, which are known for their sweetness and flavor. The orchards, with their rows of mango trees, are a sight to behold. During the mango season, the air is filled with the sweet smell of ripe mangoes, and the trees are laden with fruit. The farmers take great pride in their mangoes, which are considered some of the best in the country. The sweet smell of ripe mangoes fills the air during the summer. This is a time of celebration for the farmers who eagerly await the harvest. The sight of ripe mangoes hanging from the trees is a delight to the senses. The farmers carefully pick the mangoes, ensuring that they are not damaged. The harvest is a time of joy and hard work as the farmers prepare the mangoes for sale. These mangoes are famous for their taste. The locals enjoy them fresh, savoring the sweet and juicy flesh. The mangoes are also used in a variety of dishes, from chutneys to desserts. The baskets filled with mangoes are a common sight in the markets, where they are eagerly bought by locals and visitors alike. The taste of these mangoes is unmatched, and they are a source of pride for the region. They are sold in local markets, and some are even exported to other parts of India. The local markets are bustling with activity during the mango season, with vendors selling fresh mangoes and other produce. The crates of mangoes ready for export are a testament to the quality and demand for these fruits. The farmers take great care in packing the mangoes, ensuring that they reach their destination in perfect condition. The export of mangoes is a source of income for the farmers and a way to share the bounty of the region with the rest of the country.
Lal Gopalganj Nindaura is located near the Ganges River basin. The Ganges is a holy river in India, and it is a source of life for millions. The town is also crisscrossed by small water bodies, including canals, ponds, and streams. This network of water bodies is vital. It provides water for irrigation, which is important for agriculture. The water also supports a variety of plants and animals. It is home to fish, birds, and other wildlife. Lal Gopalganj Nindaura experiences a humid subtropical climate. Summers are hot and humid, and the monsoon season brings much-needed rain. Winters are cool and dry. Each season brings its own beauty to the town. Summer is a time for mangoes, the monsoon season turns the landscape green, and winter is a time for harvest. The changing seasons mark the rhythm of life in Lal Gopalganj Nindaura.
Despite its proximity to the city, Lal Gopalganj Nindaura is home to a variety of trees. You can find neem trees, banyan trees, and mango trees. These trees provide shade from the sun. They also help to clean the air. The rural areas are home to various animals. You might spot monkeys, peacocks, and a variety of birds. These creatures are a reminder of the town's connection to nature.
Lal Gopalganj Nindaura is a town on the verge of change. Urbanization is increasing. New buildings and roads are being constructed. This development is bringing new opportunities, but it is also important to protect the environment. The local government is taking steps to promote sustainable development. They are encouraging people to plant trees. They are also working to reduce pollution. It is a challenge to balance progress with preservation.
Lal Gopalganj Nindaura is a town with deep religious roots. Nestled in the heart of Uttar Pradesh, this quaint town is a living testament to the enduring power of faith and tradition. The town's history is intertwined with its religious practices, which have been passed down through generations. The local temples, adorned with intricate carvings and vibrant decorations, stand as silent witnesses to the town's rich cultural heritage. Every corner of Lal Gopalganj Nindaura echoes with stories of devotion and reverence, making it a unique place where the past and present coexist harmoniously. Its proximity to Prayagraj makes it a significant place for Hindus. Just a short journey away, Prayagraj, formerly known as Allahabad, is one of the most revered cities in Hinduism. The town's location has made it a hub for pilgrims who travel from far and wide to seek blessings and participate in religious ceremonies. The roads leading to Prayagraj are often bustling with devotees, their faces reflecting a mix of anticipation and spiritual fervor. This close connection to Prayagraj has imbued Lal Gopalganj Nindaura with a unique spiritual significance, drawing visitors who wish to experience the divine energy that flows through this region. Prayagraj is a holy city. Known for its historical and religious importance, it is a place where the sacred and the mundane meet. The city is dotted with ancient temples, each with its own story and significance. Pilgrims flock to Prayagraj to visit these holy sites, seeking solace and spiritual upliftment. The city's skyline is dominated by the spires of temples, their bells ringing out in a symphony of devotion. The air is thick with the scent of incense and the sound of prayers, creating an atmosphere that is both serene and invigorating. It is located at the confluence of three rivers. The Ganges, Yamuna, and the mythical Saraswati meet here, creating a Triveni Sangam that is considered one of the holiest spots in Hinduism. This confluence is believed to be a powerful spiritual site, where the waters of the three rivers merge to purify the soul. Pilgrims come to take a dip in these sacred waters, performing rituals that have been practiced for centuries. The sight of the rivers merging is a breathtaking spectacle, a natural wonder that holds deep spiritual meaning for those who visit. Millions of pilgrims visit Prayagraj every year. The city comes alive during religious festivals, with throngs of devotees filling the streets and ghats. The most famous of these festivals is the Kumbh Mela, which attracts millions of people from around the world. During this time, the city transforms into a vibrant tapestry of colors, sounds, and rituals. Pilgrims gather to take a holy dip in the river, believing that it will cleanse them of their sins and bring them closer to the divine. The energy and devotion of the crowds are palpable, creating an atmosphere of collective spiritual awakening. Many people from Lal Gopalganj Nindaura travel to Prayagraj for religious festivals. The journey is often a communal affair, with families and neighbors traveling together, sharing stories and songs along the way. The anticipation of reaching Prayagraj and participating in the sacred rituals adds a sense of excitement and purpose to the journey. For many, this pilgrimage is a lifelong dream, a chance to connect with their faith in a profound and meaningful way. The bonds formed during these journeys are strong, creating a sense of community and shared spiritual experience. The town itself is home to several temples and shrines. These places of worship are not just buildings, they are the heart and soul of the community. Each temple has its own unique charm, from the small, rustic shrines nestled in quiet corners to the larger, more elaborate temples that serve as the focal point of religious life. The daily rituals and ceremonies performed here are a testament to the town's unwavering faith. The temples are places of solace and reflection, where people come to seek blessings, offer prayers, and find a sense of peace amidst the hustle and bustle of daily life. These places of worship are an important part of the local culture. They are not just sites of religious significance, but also centers of social and cultural activity. Festivals and celebrations are held here, bringing the community together in a spirit of joy and camaraderie. Traditional rituals are performed with great reverence, preserving the customs and practices that have been handed down through generations. The temples and shrines are a living repository of the town's cultural heritage, reflecting the values and beliefs that define the community. They are a testament to the town's faith and traditions. The intricate architecture of the temples, the meticulous care with which they are maintained, and the devotion of the people who worship here all speak to the deep-rooted spirituality of Lal Gopalganj Nindaura. These sacred spaces are a source of pride for the community, embodying the timeless traditions that have shaped the town's identity. In a rapidly changing world, they stand as enduring symbols of faith, resilience, and continuity, reminding us of the power of belief and the importance of preserving our cultural heritage.
Lal Gopalganj Nindaura is a unique blend of urban and rural. It is a town where you can experience the best of both worlds. You can enjoy the peace and quiet of the countryside. You can also find modern amenities in the town. Whether you are looking for a place to relax or a place to connect with your spiritual side, Lal Gopalganj Nindaura has something to offer. Come and discover the charm of this hidden gem.